So the next sum or this sum that we'll do, in the previous videos you saw how to find HCF. In this video what I will do is how to find LCM. I won't repeat the entire steps, but I will say what are the common steps. See, in the last video we did this. We have already done this. I have to find the LCM now between 20 and 30. The steps are common. You have to first fill this table. How did we fill this table? I will just give a quick revision. We took the number, we rooted in the dividend, we thought what the divisor was. Is the divisor 2, 3, 4, 5? We will always start with 2. If it goes in 2, then it is the divisor. If it doesn't go into, you can't directly jump to 5. You have to think about 3, 4. Okay, that's the rule. That's the thumb rule. Many of you are making the same mistake again and again. So then I wrote 10. I completed this table. I completed this table for 20. If you don't understand, please go back to the last video and please watch it again. I similarly completed the table for 30. I got these factors, and what I did was I wrote the common factors. I will do the same thing here. I will again just write the common factors. Okay, like number was 20 and 30. Now what are the common factors or what are the factors that I got? 20 के लिए I got 2251 and 30 के लिए I got 2351. In HCF what we did, we just took the common factors and then multiplied it. In LCM you will go a step ahead. Now first thing is take the common factors. The common factors are obviously 2 and 5 and 1. First write down the common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factors? 2, 5 and 1. Now I will write down the uncommon factors. Which are the uncommon factors? 2, because 2 is a single one. 3. I will write down 2 and 3. Remember one step. Whenever I write down common factors, even though it is common, like it is coming here also, it is coming here also, but you write it just once. Then to find LCM, multiply all these things. 2 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 3. 2 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 3. 2 5s are 10, 10 1s are 1, 10 2s are 20, 23s are 60. The LCM is 60. It is just an extension of the HCF method. You don't have to do any new steps. All the steps still here, common factors are similar. The extra step is this: find uncommon factors and then multiply. What do you do for HCF? You find that prime factorization ka table, you find the factors for both the numbers, then you make this common table, you find the common factors and then you multiply, you get the HCF. But for uncommon factors, for LCM, you have to also find the uncommon and then multiply all together. Then you get LCM. I hope this makes the things but a bit clearer. Thank you.